Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to manage ANC mode for your earbuds Redmi Buds 6 Pro. You have to start by open Xiaomi Earbuds application, and of course you need to add your earbuds to the app to manage it, because you can enable it by gesture, so you don't need to application for it, but you cannot manage it with a gesture, only in the application. Right here we need to select firstly ANC, so click at the Noise Cancellation, and we have three options. You can just increase or lower it manually. If you want to increase, just move the slider to the right or just tap the space at the right, and to lower it you need to move the slider, this dot, to the left. Also, we can enable personalized noise cancellation, and I recommend to do this and check it. And we have adaptive noise cancellation, so if you enable it, it will change this ANC level depending on your background. And now I cannot change it. As you can see, it said that I need to turn off this adaptive noise cancellation mode. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.